I was explaining to him how these things are set up. With the charger, yes, you can start the car up and run it, it will charge. But I always prefer to put an actual charger on it and give it 15 to 20 minutes charge at maybe about 40 amps. Okay, because in my opinion, when you just run the car, okay, your alternator, you don't need your battery to keep the car running per se. The car will run off your alternator, and then the voltage, the excess voltage from the alternator would go and charge up, keep charging up your battery. But I feel you're going to be doing this for a longer period of time than just putting it on the charger for 15 or 20 minutes at 40 amps. This alternator is not going to pump 40 amps into the system. All right, that's why I prefer to use a charger.